In today's episode, I'm back with another simple recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. So we are preparing some lentils or kamande, and with me here I have my ingredients. On a normal day, we'll start by soaking this, but today there's something special about this recipe because we're not going to be soaking them, neither are we going to be boiling them. We're just going to get started on them, and so stick around and I'll show you how. I have my cooking oil, some salt, some tomatoes, carrots, ginger and garlic. I have my coriander leaves, I have my seasoning cube, and this is some curry powder. I have some tomato paste, and finally have my onions. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as I mentioned, these are just selected kamande. You can hear how dry they are. They've not come into contact with any water. So I'm going to start by washing this, then we'll get started. I've already washed my lentils and I've drained all the water. You definitely have to wash your lentils so that you can remove the dust. And now we can get to the other side. Once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with about a tablespoon and a half of cooking oil. And once that is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. Now that this is how I like it, translucent, I'll go in with my garlic and ginger. So once this is fragrant, I'll go in with my tomatoes as well as my tomato paste. Then I'm going to add some water so that my tomatoes can cook a little bit faster. Then I'm going to cover this for about a minute so that the tomatoes can break down. Now that I'm happy with this, I'll go in with my lentils. Then I'm going to add everything else except the coriander. Then I'll also go in with my seasoning cube. Then I also forgot to mention, you'll also need some capsicum, and I'm also going to add that right here. And now that we have this beautiful thing going on, it's time to add in some soup, my favorite part. And for this recipe, you'll need to add a significant amount of water so that the lentils can fully cook. And you can see this already looks beautiful. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. Then I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, and we'll have a very thick and delicious curry going on. So I'll see you in about 25 to 30 minutes and our food will be ready. Look at this beauty going on here. And our lentils are ready. It has taken me roughly 28 minutes. And you can see our stew is ready. So this is ready to be served and enjoy. I'll garnish with my coriander. I'll switch that off. You can enjoy this with some rice or some chapati or some naan, and I'm going to link the recipes to all that at the end of this particular video. So as you've seen, my food is ready, and you can see how big this is. You can serve this with your favorite starch. Wow, this tastes amazing. Wow, absolutely delicious. This is absolutely delicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try. And as you've seen, we haven't boiled our lentils, we just cook them straight away. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.